Bangkok?
Yes. I'm in Bangkok.
Bangkok.
The way she said, I know that's right.
Bangkok. Okay, I'll see you tonight if ever you guys want to go out.
Jellyfish, you down?
Jellyfish, where is that?
The rooftop. Apparently it's the most fire rooftop in Bangkok.
Okay. If it's fire, then we should go. Okay. I finished my activities at maybe 9 o'clock. After that, I can meet you guys.
You down to pregame?
Elsa is also going.
Who?
Elsa.
Perfect. And then Anita, where's Anita?
With me.
Perfect. So I will actually message her. I told her like if she's still there. She didn't reply. You made her so tired. Stop making her so tired.
What time you will be in Bangkok?
Okay, on va aller magasiner. Moi, je
I will be flying now. I'm boarding now at 3:30 in Philippine time. And then I arrive there like 6. I go straight to the shoot with the podcast with Vanessa, Gazzini, and Yada. After that, we finish at 9 and then I'm done.
Okay. Text when you finish.
No, but I'm
Yes. So what's up? Where are you guys staying?
in Bangkok.
Bangkok. Catchy, right? Bang, bang, and cocks.
Type shit. Yeah, she's vibes.
I know, I'm crazy. Anyway, nice to meet you guys. And later, I'll be enjoying with everyone.
Yes, we're going pregame. Let's link up to pregame though.
She gonna be free at 9 p.m.
That's perfect. Pregame until
Yeah,
11.
exactly.
We're going to go to the club.
Where do you want to pregame? In your place? In your pad?
Listen, I live in the hood of Bangkok. So are you good with the hood?
Any hood, any roof, any whatever place it is, as long as it's
So listen. We're gonna start in the hood. We're gonna finish it in a nice place, okay? But we're gonna start in
Okay.
the hood. So we're gonna keep it humble in the hood.
Alright.
Yeah.
Did you guys go out last night?
Let's not even talk about it. It was whack as hell, girl. It was whack as hell.
I was very fun.
No, everybody forget everyone.
Everyone just tired at the end, but we had fun.
The place wasn't it, but the group was.
The police?
No, the place was not
The
it,
police.
but the group. But the group
Okay.
was. Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's what day is today? 2, 3. No, it's 3rd day of Pride. So we should like get it banging, you know?
Alright, so let's. Bangkok it is.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
See you.
Where's Anita?
Why you care?
One, she's Filipino. Two, stop hiding her. Three, is this a kidnap for ransom or something? I feel like I'm in a movie of like you called me and I'm like, I have you hostage and you should send a ransom of 2 baht. But discount 1.5 baht for today.
Thank you for waiting. Pwede ko na-expect yung first 2 bawat per busan. For passengers, number 5.
Go where? You invited me here. How dare you?
Kaylin, I have a question before you go.
What? Ask the question. What is this, top 5? What?
Issues to meet up issue millionaires.
What is the question?
No, I'm just joking.
You made me feel like I'm not part of the top 5 again. How dare you? I'm just kidding.
We will see you today.
Okay, we'll see you today. Thanks for the call. Keep in touch on Instagram.
See you.
See you. Stop the hostage.
탑승하실 때에는 여권의 조직 페이지와 탑승권을 잘 직원에게 보여주시기 바라며 럭키는 탑승 시에도 승무원에게 탑승권을 제시해 주시기 바랍니다. 이코노미 승객께서는 본인 좌석번호가 확인될 때까지 자리에 앉아 계시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
Nasa Korea ka man, no? my ticket. Hindi ka pa graduate sa All-Stars. May second year and fourth year pa. What? Para naman ako naka-aral. Para naman ako nag-school. Ano to? College. Major in pageantry. First year pa lang ako ganon. May second year, third year, fourth year pa. Diyos ko. Sabi mo kanina may ano kayo. No, it's not in the Philippines. It's in Bangkok. It's a podcast. It's the podcast called All-Star Unfiltered. It's hosted by Yada. You can check it out. It's on YT. It's all over SOCMEDs. They interviewed like Papa Nawat there, a lot of beauty queens. So because it's just All-Stars just finished, so they wanted to interview Vanessa. So Vanessa's actually doing her interview now. And then after that, I think it's Gazini and Fuchsia together. And then I'm gonna be the last one in the evening. Kasi nga, I was supposed to be with them, but my flight got moved. So. Get mo ba pag inos ka din ninawat sa birthday niya? Kasi, wala naman problema dun. Basta bayad. Kasi malaki naman sila magpatid. So, kahit na wedding, kahit birthday ng aso niya, birthday ng pusa niya, first Holy Communion ng apo niyang pusa, kahit siguro binyag ng ibon niya, gano'n. Go. Basta work. Work is work. Hindi tayo maarte sa work. Who did your makeup? Ako lang. Pag mga ganito guys, hindi ka na pwede mag-hair and makeup artist. Dapat matuto ka maging self-sufficient. Basag ang org sa'yo dahil pag hindi ka marunong self-sufficient. Dapat on the go. Pag sabing fly here, go here. Dapat naka-full glam ka. Tapos fly ka na nun. Lapag. Diretso na the event. Shoots ka. Naka-hair na. Sige, just iwan na lang sa akin. Naka-hair na. Ganon. Thank you. Ingat din po kayo sa lahat ng nanonood dyan. Alis ka na ba? Yeah, waiting lang. I'm just letting the seniors go first. It's not so much of a full flight naman because I just booked this morning. So not so much a lot of going. Not so much a lot of people flying there. I'm actually landing in Don Mueang, Bangkok, not in Suvarnabhumi. So I think it's because it's much more near to the studio. Bet mo ba mag-judge your host sa MJ All-Stars meet? Judge, I think I'm not qualified because I guess, di ba, syempre kailangan mga title holders or like someone big. I'm not that big. Host, definitely, because, hosting is a skill. And I'm super down to it. Like, I'm super annoying nga ngayon to Papa Nawat. Like, I'm always tagging you with everything. Like, make me your host, 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 make me your host. I am not stopping until he really gives me that job. Like, I'm just gonna annoy him until next edition. Every single day, every single week, I'm just gonna annoy him until he's like, fine, do it. And then, if he likes it, he likes it. If not, I'm fired. Ba't ka talaga ba nagpapakit ka? Buti kong cute. Gawa kang moderate. May mga moderators ako dito. Hi, Derek Benz. I miss you too. Mag-homecoming tayo pag talagang sure na stay put na ako sa Maynila. Kasi umuwi lang ako saglit. Tinatid ko lang yung mom ko tsaka yung mga luggage para sa mga gowns mo kailangan i-return. Kasi syempre may timeline lang yun. And then, definitely, literally, wala pa. There, exacto 24 hours lang ako sa Manila. Tapos ngayon, pabalik na naman ako. Ayan, sige, pwede na tayong tumayo. Pwede tayong tumayo at pumila. mo lang siya, pinapataas naman niya yung engagement at saka yung comment section. So, nakakatulong siya. Hindi ko naman binabasa at saka pinapansin. And besides, tama naman. Talo naman talaga. Live kayo later night out. Yes, mag-live kami na Gigi later. Bulungin natin sila. At least naramdaman na ni Gigi na I was right. See, if you're next to me, if you're friends with me, you're always gonna be trending. Gigi, thank you so much. I'm giving you engagement. Where's my royalties? Bayad ba yung flight mo na or ikaw nag-shoulder? Yes, they took care of it. Yes, panalo ako sa pagmamahal ng mga Pilipino. Important din yun. Saan ka punta ma? Bangkok. So tonight, bulungin natin si Gigi. Bulungin natin si Gigi. Let's see, kasama si Yada kasi parang, I don't know if she's a night out person, but so hopefully she joins. I can, I'm gonna meet her day also. Let's see who's gonna be out with us tonight. Hey, Elsa's coming too. Yes, Elsa's coming too. I love it. A reunion, post All-Star reunion. Sa Clark Airport yan, no, this is na yung Terminal 1. Si Jennifer umuwi, no, kung coming siya na today. Tatakwil ka sa Pampanga tayo. Actually, nag-message na nga sila, may judging ako sa kanila sa 27 ng June. Sa MGB. Wala mag-isa mamiyas. Nire-reto ka sa French na friend nila. Sino ang French na friend? Meron pa? Hindi ka napipigon dito sa kapsa. Ano naman? Kasi the more na nagko-comment, the more nagkaka-engagement. It means nagkakaroon ng traction yung live. So, okay lang. Hindi lang bisa. Sa sobrang ng dami nagko-comment, hindi ko na nababasa. Tsaka, naman yun? Ganun naman talaga yun. Siyempre, nasa public eye